hi to the very beautiful viewers of Sulekha.com, which was actually I'm getting emotional right now because Sulekha was the first site where my picture has been uploaded for the first time when I entered the industry. So here today I'll talk about my movie called Arukana, which is under the banner of Gayatri Talkies, where I'm playing opposite to Shriman, and I'm fighting with Punamalam sir, and my fight has been directed by Panch Bharat, who coordinated all the fights, and my director is Singham Sudhakar, and producer is Ramana sir, and it's a very homely movie. It has 5 songs. One is the devil song where I'm playing as a scared girl, and another one which is showing chemistry between me and Shriman sir. It's a romantic sequence where at the same time thriller, action, everything, it's like a masala where the audience want to go and watch the movie complete from east to west. We have taken all the essence in the movie to make it as possible as a commercial as well as a thriller movie where the audience can go and enjoy, where the big people can enjoy the homely thriller, same way the middle-aged viewers can enjoy and the thrill, the action in the movie, and the young generation will love the chemistry of me and Shrimansa. There are some stages where I felt like, oh my God, how I'm gonna punch such a senior artist, Punamalam sir and all. But later on, he came to me, he told me, Prachi, being an artist is very important for us to be in the role and play as per the direction of the director. So don't worry, go ahead and punch me. I said, are you serious? I can punch you. He said, yes, you can punch me. I gone ahead. I just punched him, and later on I said, sir, was it hard? So I mean, this is how we worked as a family in the movie. Everybody, even I was a newcomer, everybody supported me a lot. And in the bike chasing thing, I got a Hero Honda Splendor. He got a Yamaha. Although I learned the bike, my first bike from Yamaha, but I chosen to go with the Splendor because it was little neat. I said, you know what? I'm the actress. I'll take Splendor. You take Yamaha. So sir cooperated a lot. Little things, my little expectations. Aspects, he just he helped me a lot, been very cooperative. Shriman sir helped me with the scenes. He said, this is the romantic scene, you have to look into my eyes, and it's okay. I mean, don't feel shy or anything, just be. Right now you are my girlfriend in the movie, so you act like that. So we seeing in the eyes, we showing too much love and all. So this is a movie where we just fighting for the justice, and it's like where the injustice taking place and the girl is fighting with the world. It shows today's scenario. If a girl is alone, if she's modern, she's a college going girl and the parents are not there, and it's a male oriented society, so people try to take advantage. Even the people whom they are the one who try to abuse you in most of the aspects. So in this movie, we are trying to show that even you're a girl, you're alone, you're young, no need of getting scared. Go and fight for your rights. You can do anything if you have decided in your mind, because fight is just not with the body. Fight is with the brain. You can win everything being a girl from the brain, and that's how you go classy. So I love you, Sulekha.com. I hope that the people will go and watch my movie on 7th, and I really hope the media, internet media, and the broadcasting media of all types will support me, will bless me, and the audience will give me a little place in their heart, if not like big artists, at least like a special place in the heart. And no matter what, I'll keep practicing, I'll keep working, and hoping for the best result. I'm not saying I'm perfect, because nobody's perfect here in this world. Every day we learn things being an artist, so I'm just keep on learning. I love you.